and a lot of the dogs did not like it. He is social, but he's more...
Oh shit, kitty!
His meow is so cute.
Do this to her for like 10 minutes. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Yeah, so kind of hard to...
Oh!
Macaroni turns one. Oh, ow. Come here.
Hey! I was petting my neighbor's cat when suddenly...
What do you want? That was a good one.
Put the package up here.
Dad, Carol, now! Carrie's not
Excuse me? Excuse me?
Can you hold on?
I just wanted to acknowledge the
I'm sorry, I just asked a question.
What's going on, man? Whoa! Oh my gosh.
Ziggler makes it back to his feet. Is he going to deliver sweet? Oh,
Bro, Michael. Look at this little kitten. Hey. Oh, did she say hi? You cannot have an entire lump of...
Finally found something to keep my cat off the counter.
You like it? What? Did you just pull your fist?
Ow! Ow, you motherfucker!
No.
Ow!
Right. Do you want to get neutered?
That's bad. Don't do that. Why won't you adopt me?
Because you're black!
Hey, come here, come on.
The cat got his fucking head stuck in the chair.
That's bad. Don't do that.
I don't like it. Oh.
If you did.
Oh God.
Why are you mad?
It's gonna be hot.
Hey!
Oh my God.
Ziggler makes it back to his feet. Is he going to deliver? Sweet. Oh, the claw!
Make it good.
So. Oh my God. Oh God. That is moving.
You fucker.
What are you doing? Get...
Izzy. Are you stuck?
You got some right here. Are you part dog?
Under arrest.
Oh my God! What is that?
Now you're about to bite me. Are you stuck?
Don't bite his tail.
That is for sure.
No, I didn't fucking jackpot.
Birds. Do it.
Come on.
Который готов взять себе животное домой.
Hello, it's me.
What happened? Dua.
You. Achilles.
Is there a wild animal in our house?
Look.